Thank you for joining the third session of plot visualization. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how we can build international maps. So it's the same configuration that we had. We importing Chat Studio, plot.graph.objs, and these setups that were here. And I've just imported the dataset from GitHub. So this is an easier way you can actually import that. Just take the link, the CSV file, and import it here, and you can see I do have this dataset. Now this dataset is from worldwide, and you can see the different countries here, the GDP and code right here. So let's set it up for visualization. So as we are doing, we need to have a variable called data, and just say dict here, and inside this dict method, I need to put values that I can convert to a dictionary. So I need the type of visualization is going to be colorpath, and in here locations are going to be the DF code, because inside the code here, that's where you have the code for each country. So that's where locations are going to be. And the Z, if you can remember, we don't have the location mode because we are dealing with international maps here. Now Z is going to be DF, as you have guessed, it is going to be the GDP. So if we go here, it's going to be GDP billions here. That's the magnitude of values that we want from. Now we can just say GDP. Just follow the naming scheme and say billions right here. Now we have GDP billions from this section. Now let's continue by adding the text. So the text is going to be equal to DF country. So it's this one. So it's in let me collect it here. It's going to be in capital letters. So also in here, and the color bar so going to have text, and the title of this, let's just put title as we were doing last time, and let's just say GDP in billions USD. Just let's land this and put the layout. So the layout is going to be a dictionary as well. So this data will actually be tended to dictionary. So you have the title here. So the title is going to be 2014. That's when our data was collected. Global GDP. Then from here we'll have the geo location. So inside the geolocation, we also have another dict file here, and in that file we'll just say show flame is equal to force. I'm not going to show the framework of the world because we don't want our mapping to be anything that we don't like. Then we need to do the projection. So the projection is how we want our map to look like. So there are different projections in here. Let me just say type here, let me just say this projection is called Mercator that I want, and let's learn this. We are good to go. Now let me just say color map is equal to go and put a method. So go is a object, and inside that object there are features. Let's say go, and here in here and just say data is equal to, as we are doing before, data, and layout is equal to layout, just like so. Then I can just say I plot inside this, I can just say color map and learn this. Let's see what it will show us. So you can see we do have this beautiful visualization, and I can move it around and zoom in, or I can make sure that if I place this box selection, and I can zoom into Africa and check around what I'm dealing with. So that's how you can actually zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out with this feature right here. As I already told you, because my aspect ratio of my PCs is small, that's why we can't see here. That's why we see Malawi had 4.41 billion US dollars of GDP. We do have a lot of money in Malawi right here, and that's like Malawi. So anyway, that's how you can actually build international maps in Plotly. So thank you very much. See you on the next session of machine learning. And I just want to congratulate you for reaching this far. You are very brave, and let's see each other in another section. Thank you. Bye-bye.